Hello, today I'm doing a short presentation of the Pentel GraphGear 1000 mechanical pencil. It's a premium mechanical pencil made for enthusiasts and professionals for drawing or writing. It's a full metal mechanical pencil, and it feels really solid in the hand. It's one of the most premium feeling pencils you'll ever own. It feels it's built to last for a lifetime. It has several features, like a lead hardness indicator. Okay, so it's available through the rotation of the grip. Also, it features dual action retractor that advances the lead and retracts the pencil tip to protect the lead from breaking. It's built into the clip. Also feels very solid. The grip is really nicely chiseled, and it's inlaid with soft latex-free pads of different colors. The color of the pads corresponds to the thickness of the lead. It's 0.3. It's brown for the 0.3 millimeters lead, gray for the 0.5 millimeters lead, blue for the 0.7, and yellow for the 0.9. So this being gray, this is the 0.5 millimeters version. It's also available in this, obviously in these versions, the 0.3, 0.5, 0.7 and 0.9 millimeters. It's pretty comfortable in the hand. The grip feels very nice, and I have to say I'm pretty happy with the lead protection features of this pencil, as I've been writing for a number of years with this pencil, and it doesn't break the lead. Maybe when you push too hard on it, but if you use it normally, you will not have problems with the lead breaking. Okay, so let's see it right. Very nice. When you're done with it, just push the mechanism and the lead is perfectly protected. Very nice pencil, premium, $15–20 price tag. Can't go wrong with it. Any questions? Use the comments section below. Thanks for watching.